Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to guide you through some amazing rustic farmhouse decor ideas that will make your space feel homey, warm and just downright inviting. So grab your cozy blanket and let's get started. First up, let's talk about color. If you want that true farmhouse vibe, you need to embrace warm neutrals. Think creams, taupe and browns. These colors create a calm atmosphere and can easily match with almost everything. Plus, layering textures like soft frost and knitted pillows will add depth and make your space feel cozier. And you know what? Mixing fabrics like burlap and linen adds character without trying too hard. Mix old and new, incorporate vintage and antique pieces for authenticity. Balance it with modern farmhouse elements like clean-lined furniture. Embrace natural materials. Use reclaimed wood for tables, shelves, and decor. Opt for jute, linen, or burlap fabrics for a cozy feel. Add metal accents like iron hardware or galvanized trays. Focus on farmhouse furniture. Choose a large farmhouse dining table with bench seating. Use distressed wood cabinets or open shelving in the kitchen. Go for plush, slip-covered sofas or tucked armchairs in the living room. Add rustic accessories. Use open baskets for storage. Hang wooden signs with farmhouse courts. Display vintage glass bottles, mason jars, or metal pitchers. Use soft and warm lighting, hang earth iron or wooden candeliers. Add lantern-style pendant lights over the kitchen island. Use table lamps with distressed wood or ceramic bases. Decorate with farmhouse-inspired details and barn-style sliding doors for character. Add a farmhouse sink in the kitchen. Use a vintage ladder as a blanket holder. Incorporate reclaimed and distressed wood. Use pine wood for accent walls, shelves, or furniture. Choose a distressed wood coffee table or console table for a time-worn look. Dye wooden beams or ceilings to add rustic charm. Choose classic farmhouse patterns. Use buffalo check, gingham, or digging strips for pillows and curtains. Add floral or green check inspired prints for a vintage touch. Layer cozy plaid blankets over furniture for extra warmth. Create a cozy kitchen. Install open wooden shelves to display vintage dishware. Use a farmhouse apron front sink. Store utensils in mason jars or galvanized containers. Hang copper or cast iron cookware. Add rustic greenery, decorate with eucalyptus, lavender or dried cotton stems. Use galvanized metal planters or ceramic pots for a farmhouse feel. Hang a wreath made of twigs, olive branches or dried flowers. Farmhouse bedroom styling. Use a wood iron or wooden headboard. Choose a white or neutral bedding set with layers of cozy blankets. Add a vintage trunk at the foot of the bed for storage. Use a weathered wooden bench or stools as a bedside table. Make a statement with the farmhouse entryway. Place a distressed wooden bench with open baskets underneath. Hang a reclaimed wood framed mirror to reflect light. Incorporate farmhouse lighting. Install industrial style or lantern pendant lights. Add wall sconces with an antique brush or black metal finish. Place table lamps with burning or linen shades for a soft glow. Create a rustic farmhouse outdoor space. Use wooden rocking chairs or a porch swing. Decorate with galvanized planters filled with seasonal flowers. Add string lights or lanterns for a cozy evening ambience. Place a wooden crate or barrel as a rustic side table. Layer textures for a cozy feel. Mix wood, metal, and soft fabrics to create warmth. Use jute or braided rug for an organic, rustic touch. Add chunky knit rugs and linen pillows for a relaxed vibe. Repurpose and upcycle for authenticity. Turn an old wooden ladder into a blanket holder. Use vintage suitcases or crates as side tables or storages. Repurpose a barn door into a headboard or sliding door. Create a farmhouse gallery wall. Use a mix of vintage frames, plastic signs, and botanical prints. Incorporate wooden or metal accents like bone mill blades or iron keys. Keep it functional and simple. Avoid clutter. Use decorative storage like wicker baskets or wire pins. Choose multi-purpose furniture like a farmhouse bench with hidden storage. Stick to neutral and calming colors for an open, airy feel. Incorporate handcrafted and tiled elements, extensions, or paint a wooden sign with a favorite farmhouse coat. Make a messenger candler for a unique light fixture. Write a reclaimed wood, coffee table, or shelving unit. Focus on rustic windows or doors. Use sheer linen or cotton curtains for a light, airy feel. Hang barn-style doors instead of traditional ones for character. Add wooden shutters as decorative wall accents. Thanks for watching the video.